Today I'm going to show you how to create a smooth reverse effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is the normal video clips, and I will go time ramping and split. We will take a point at the middle and reduce the split on the right side. I will increase this point so that it looks smooth. If I play it now, we'll see that it slowed down. To make it smoother, I'll add optical flow from split and duration. See it smoother than ever. Then cut the layer. And duplicate the layer and put it at the end of the first layer. Then we will go split and duration and select the reverse split. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.